Orlando Pirates are going crazy this transfer window. They've just announced the signing of Oswin Apolis, a long time Kaizer Chiefs target. Kaizer Chiefs have been looking to sign this guy for the past 2 years, but now Orlando Pirates have came into the picture, swept him, signed him. Hey, it's crazy. Kaizer Chiefs fans are gonna go crazy. These are disappointing news. These are bad news for them. And of course, Orlando Pirates fans are gonna enjoy this one. Good news for them. Damn, Orlando Pirates are building a super team here. As a Chief fan, man, hey, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be hard to compete with these guys because I wanted my team to finish above them in the league. But now they are building a super team. But it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy because they've signed a new coach, 9 new players. It's not gonna be easy for them. They all have to adapt. They all still have to learn how to work together. Up the Slim has to try and put together these players, make sure that they work together. Of course, Mandla Ncigazi is there. He's gonna try maybe to keep the structure, help Umjita, the new coach, build this team, try to keep a foundation. Eshiwengu Rivero, he left a very good foundation, and yeah, man, that's what's happening. Orlando Pirates have signed this guy, but bro, I don't think Orlando Pirates are gonna be that good as much as they've signed all these players. They've signed all these players, but bro, it's not easy working with new players. It's not gonna be easy. It's not going to be easy. They are good players, but it's not gonna be easy working with them. But if everything falls into place, if everything just works perfectly fine, they're gonna compete with Sundowns. They're gonna compete with Sundowns. They're gonna compete with Sundowns, and they could try and win the league. If Sundowns iqala league better and play a few draws here and there, lose here and there, Pirates could really stand a chance in winning the league. And in the Champions League also, I think they're gonna cook. They're gonna try and push to reach the final. Orlando Pirates, maybe we're gonna see Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates this time. We kept final, and yeah, man, Orlando Pirates are cooking. It's crazy. As a Chief fan, disappointed, man. I'm disappointed by this news. But anyways, man, those are the news. That's what's happening right now. They've just announced this guy, also Napolis, 59 games for Polokwane City, 9 goals, 6 assists. For Ibafana Bafana, 14 caps, 2 goals, 6 assists. But you cannot only measure his performance using stats. The guy has been good. You guys know him, Oswin Apolis, a new Orlando Pirates player. It's crazy. Orlando Pirates are going crazy this transfer window, man. This guy, Ndiamkalela, man, as a Chief fan, Ndiamkalela. But let's just hope Kaizer Chiefs are gonna end up getting Uvele Baye and yeah, man, and a few more players who gonna fill in the void, a space in as much as Umjita ebengakabe ngumdlali wethu. But bro, I feel like njengoba ebe target yethu for a very long time, I feel like hey, we considered him as our player, as a player who's coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates were not as serious as Kaizer Chiefs into getting this guy, but bro, they've got him. Crazy. Kwezinye zezindaba, Saleng could be staying at Orlando Pirates if the new coach, Abdul Slim, chooses to say, I want to keep the player, I want to see him play for my club next season. So Orlando Pirates are going to go on a preseason for sure. Saleng who's going to be there, and he has to impress the coach. And Orlando Pirates are going to renew his contract. His contract yakhe biphela, got that there was an option to extend. So after Abdul Slim has assessed him, he's going to assess every player at Orlando Pirates, and they're going to announce the players that are gonna leave, that are gonna stay. Basekhona abadlali abangahamba kwe-Pirates since i-transfer window isavulile. So Saleng is one of those players that he has to prove himself. As much as Simazu Saleng, which is a very good player, but for this new coach, he has to try and prove himself. I'm sure the new coach knows him, how good he is, but I think he's gonna be checking for things like, does he still want to play for this club? Since kwenzeka lento yenzekayo, the drama, it. I think they're gonna assess him and see if they want to let him go or not. But it's not going to be easy letting go a player like Kusaleng. He's a very good player. So yeah, man, I think that's the reason why he's still at the club. If it was any other player, they would have just let him go. But it's Saleng, a very good winger, a very good player. Siyamazi Umjita, akekho ufana naye, akekho ufana noMkhutuzi. In my opinion, he's the best left-footed winger in SA, left-footed right winger in SA currently. For sure, Umjita, he's gonna cook for Orlando Pirates if he still wanna play there. If he does not wanna play there, Kaizer Chiefs, please make sure you take him. Okay. Kwezinye izindaba seKhukhune United have parted ways with midfielder Pogiso Mahlangu ahead of the new campaign. Okay, Umjita uyayishisa seKhukhune United. Kwezinye izindaba Ulomjita, who used to play for Mamelodi Sundowns, what's his name? Rivaldo Kutsie, is a free agent now. He's a midfielder, this guy, but the Sundowns converted him to a defender. So yeah, man, Umjita is now leaving Mamelodi Sundowns as a free agent. Sundowns decided not to renew his contract. Okay, it wasn't his agenda, but Shedrick Campbell was devastated by the news. Yeah, you know the news, SuperSport United being sold. He posted on Instagram, no ways, that's his development team, by the way. That's why I understand the boy. He's a product of SuperSport United, and news like this are crazy. Everyone who loves football is not happy with this news, because SuperSport United were a very big club, and to be sold just like that, it's crazy. But at the same time, some people were happy that Isuelele is back, Celtics is back, Celtic United. That team is a team with a lot of fans. But I feel like when the window you won up, like you're replacing a team, a good team, a big team that we used to know, with another one. Like, why would you do this? We should be learning from this situation, because SuperSport United is a big team. Isuelele was a big team. Why would you sell another big club? Change igama. It's crazy, but it's happening. So yeah, bros, those are the news. I'm gonna come back with the other updates now.